Hi everyone, I'm Marian Ga, Filipina living here in Japan. Welcome to my travel vlog.
And now we're ready to go!
And let's go to Shizuoka!
4, 3, 2, 1. Tan 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 tan. Wow! Hello Mount Fuji. Nice. I love Kana. To the toilet. Wow, it's huge. Oh, it's clean and it smells good. 22 rooms vacant daw. Wow! Ang laki niya. Oh, pag color blue, vacant. If it's red like this, someone is in there. Here we go. Oh, nice. Flash silk tissue. Oh, meron pa siya with different dialect. A baby chair, umbrella holder, bag holder. Oh, so many bags holder. Meron pa siyang toilet seat cleaner. Ayan, kukuhaan dito ng tissue. Spread, push mo dyan ng alcohol. At i-wipe mo dito sa bowl. Ayan, ano kaya meron dito? Let's try. There's no Tagalog. Let's go English. Oh, dito spa. Ayan, para alam nyo. Meron pa siyang sounds para hindi marinig. Ayan, ayan. Para hindi marinig ng kapitbahay kung pupo ka o mga fart nyo dyan. We're now entering Shizuoka Prefecture. Mabushisugi. Wow, 3,740 yen! It's January and it's fine weather and it's 12 degrees Celsius. Hindi bagay ang aming outfit. And after driving for 3 hours, now we're here. This is what you call Sweet Bank. Look guys, merong newspaper sa taas. It's huge bag of unagi pa. Welcome to Sweet Banks. Miyagi corner. Have Miyagi. Waiting for our cake. Yes! Yes! Yung pahaba yung cake. Sugoi jan. Wow! Peach. Wow! Ikaw ri! Ta-da! Wow! Looks good, guys. Oh! Cheers. This is what he ordered for me. Peach tea. Sweet. Oh, oishi. This is 600 yen and Daddy's doing coffee with lots of cream on top is 600 yen. Itong aming pastries, itong aming sweets is 400 plus. Hello na lang to my sugar. Ang sarap ng choco niya. Share muna tayo. Wow, ang ganda rin ng CR nila. Oh, nice! Ano to? CR or kitchen? I don't know. Ay, ang ganda! So unique. Welcome, it says. All I need is you and coffee. Behind every small business is guys, medyo malayo lang siya but definitely mag-enjoy kayo at ang sarap ng mga sweets. Grabe guys, ang taas ng hagdan. Going to Otera.
Welcome to Kanzenji Otera here in Shizuoka. Come on, let's go and give our respect to their guys.
Konnichiwa. Ang ganda dito guys. This is what you call Kanzenji Onsen dito sa Shizuoka, Japan. Tingnan niyo yung wave ng dagat. Ang cute niya, di ba? Pa konti-konti, hindi siya pa alon na gano'n. Talagang parang pitik-pitik lang siya. Alright! To God be the glory!
Shibuki Bashi.
Welcome to Shibuki Bashi.
At Unagi Restaurant. Ito ang famous na Unagi-san dito sa try. At ang ating pulutan ay backbone or bones ng unagi or ng eel. Parang chicharon. Rich in calcium, guys. Bawi na bawi sa beer. Wow, that's fast. Order.
こっちの方が値段高いんだよね。
残念。
見たらこれ通算だけど。
And this is my order. Taran! This is the best unagi. Itadakimasu. Wow.
Hamamatsu Shizuoka is known for their local dishes like unagi. Unagi is expensive because the way Japanese breed them in their hygiene and nutritional standards. And it has numerous health benefits.
Shiro soup, dashi soup. This is the eel's liver. Have the onsen tamago, pickles, sidings, and another vegetable sidings. This is the good things here in Japan. When they serve food, there's always things of vegetables. And this is the main dish. Jo unagi. It means the special unagi, the soft one. Okay. Itadakimasu. Now I can tell why this place, they're good, they're one of the best unagi restaurant. Gochusama deshita. Wow, simut sarap. Gochusama deshita. Now we're going to onsen. Mahal. 1,680 per head. Let's put our shoes to these lockers. 60. Don't forget our teeth. We don't need to insert yan. Sorry guys. Dito sa onsen, bawalang may tattoo. May relaxation room. Ayan. Babayad ka lang dyan for massage. This is for ladies and boys are not allowed. And guys, it says if your son is 7 years old already with 120 centimeter height, he's not allowed here anymore to be with her mom. You have to go with your dad on the other side. And this is my yukata. Birding-bird si Marianga. While daddy's in the massage, ako naman waiting here sa labas. Let's go upstairs sa relaxation. Ang ganda dito guys, nakaka-relax, nakakaganda. Kinis ko. Tanggal kasi lahat ng libag. Actually guys, this hot spring ang usually habit or yung mga kadalasang place na pinupuntahan ng mga Japanese para mag-relax, mag-refresh, mag-enjoy. Binabawi nila yung kanilang whole week na pagtatrabaho, pag-hard work. Pupunta sila sa mga hot spring. Actually, it's a little expensive here compared to the other Higayri, yung mga maliligo lang. So, at least din, hindi mag-stay. Kasi I've noticed lahat ng mga shampoo, yung conditioner, body soap, mga magabango, magaganda. It includes towel, yung bath towel, tsaka face towel, tsaka itong yukata. Kaya complete set siya para sa 1,600 yen. And may free water sila. Yan. Ito yung ating cup of water. Kampai. Meron silang kids area. Kuha sila ng origami or magdodrawing sila dyan. Tapos, isasabit nila ba? Ang cute. May mga art area sila. Galing. Naman yung cafeteria. Kaya lang sarado na siya. Tapos dito naman, merong kids room. O, di ba? Bongga. May yung mga kids pwede maglaro. Yan. Tapos meron pa silang mga books. O, see? Mga game center. Let's go upstairs. Sa second floor daw, merong relaxation area. Kaya doon tayo pupunta. Matulog muna tayo. Right, so this is the restaurant area. Yan. Diyan sa loob. Dito naman ang smoking room para sa mga future cancer patients. Joke. At dito naman ang toilet. So let's go here. Japanese style Hall Tenryu. Yung sinasabi nilang manga corner. Karaoke room. Oh, may karaoke room sila guys. And guys, ang dami mo may enjoy dito sa lugar na to. Not only kids, even adults. Ito ang relaxing room. Ayan, ang liwanag. Paano ito matutulog dito? So, and guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa relaxing area. Parang siyang mayroong stage doon. Siguro minsan may nagpa-perform. Gusto niyo bang mag-perform tayo doon? Kanta ako ng matudi or kakanta tayo ng enka, Japanese enka. Well, anyway, I'm enjoying this place. Napaka-relaxing. Kaya alam mo, medyo na this area. Kasi itong onsen na to, I think this is really for family. May mga bata, may mga kids. Kaya medyo maingay siya. Pero maganda, malinis. We're going to our car na. Doon na tayo matutulog. Tapos na ang maliligaya at relaxing area dito sa onsen. Ganda dito guys. Alright guys, we're done. It's dark already. We're now in Michino Eki roadside. Dito tayo mag-stay for tonight. And ang toilet, dito tayo sa toilet na malapit. Ang dami mga mga puro sports car ang mga nandito. Don't make noise. Marianga will sleep. Ayan guys, nag-CR na tayo para makatulog na tayo. Ah, lamig! Kasami! Hindi siya nakakatakot kasi maraming tao. So So, good night for now. See you tomorrow. Oyasumi nasai. Oh my goodness, ang ingay nila. Matulog na kayo, mga bata. Please, give us a break. Ang mga thunders matutulog na. Oyasumi. Good night.
おならする人は外行ってね。
寒い。
寒くてもいいから行って。本当に。死んじゃうよ。
あんまり笑わせないで。
笑わせないで。
笑ったらunarada dyan. Bawal daw umutot dito eh. Kibishi. Napaka-strict ng aking kasama.
当たり前の話。ね。
Oyasumi nasai. Good night, everyone. Alright, once again, this is Marian Gas saying, guys, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time on my next tour vlog. See ya! Matane!